Welcome to the latest edition of Oncology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Bicara Therapeutics has received FDA Breakthrough Therapy designation for ficerafusp alfa in combination with pembrolizumab for first-line treatment of HPV-negative recurrent or metastatic head and neck squamous cell carcinoma. This designation covers patients with PD-L1 combined positive score of 1 or higher and excludes HPV-positive oropharyngeal cancers. Supported by Phase 1 and Phase 1b results, showing a median duration of response of 21.7 months and overall survival of 21.3 months, the pivotal Phase 2 and Phase 3 FORTIFY-HN01 trial is ongoing. The decision could influence future prescriber and payer strategies. Health Canada has approved LOQTORZI, also known as toripalimab, as the first and only immunotherapy for recurrent or metastatic nasopharyngeal carcinoma. The approval covers both combination and monotherapy settings. This is Apotek's first biologic launch, licensed from Coherus Biosciences, marking a milestone for patients in Canada with this ultra-rare cancer. The new entrant may also shift pricing and formulary dynamics. In the United States, Myosin Therapeutics has secured FDA Fast Track designation for MT125, a dual non-muscle myosin 2A and 2B inhibitor targeting glioblastoma. The drug had already received orphan drug designation and has now cleared its Phase 1 and Phase 2 Safety and Pharmacokinetic Study, NCT 07185880. MT125 represents a novel mechanism in glioblastoma, targeting tumor cell motility and proliferation and signaling a growing investment in non-traditional oncology pathways. Novartis released 5-year results from the NATALEE trial showing Kisqali, or ribociclib, combined with endocrine therapy, reduced recurrence risk by 28.4% compared to endocrine therapy alone in hormone receptor-positive, HER2-negative early breast cancer. The 5-year invasive disease-free survival was 85.5% versus 81% with endocrine therapy alone. Median follow-up reached 58.4 months with a consistent benefit across subgroups and no new safety signals. These findings further strengthen the position of CDK4 and 6 inhibitors in early breast cancer management. Arvinas and Pfizer reported new patient-reported outcomes from the VERITAC-2 Phase 3 trial. Vepdegestrant, a selective estrogen receptor degrader, delayed deterioration in quality of life, pain and functioning compared with fulvestrant in ESR1-mutated, ER-positive, HER2-negative advanced breast cancer. The NDA for vepdegestrant has been accepted, and Fast Track designation has been granted by the FDA. The results reinforce the drug's patient-centric profile and may influence clinical and payer decisions. Corcept Therapeutics has submitted a marketing authorization application to the European Medicines Agency for relacorilant plus nab-paclitaxel in platinum-resistant ovarian cancer. The application is based on positive results from the Phase 3 ROSELLA trial and supporting Phase 2 data, showing progression-free and overall survival improvements versus nab-paclitaxel alone. The US FDA PDUFA date is set for July 11, 2026. This submission marks Corcept's first EU regulatory filing and could reshape the treatment landscape for this difficult-to-treat cancer. Merck announced that the FDA has accepted a priority review for KEYTRUDA and KEYTRUDA QLEX, each in combination with Padcev for cisplatin-ineligible muscle-invasive bladder cancer. Supported by the KEYNOTE-905 study, the combinations achieved event-free survival improvements of 60%, overall survival gains of 50%, and a 48% increase in pathologic complete response compared to surgery alone. The PDUFA date is April 7, 2026. These results underscore the growing role of immunotherapy in the perioperative setting. Finally, Akamis Bio received FDA Fast Track designation for NG350A, an intravenous oncolytic immunotherapy engineered to express an intratumoral CD40 agonist in mismatch repair proficient locally advanced rectal cancer. The ongoing Phase 1b Fortress trial is evaluating NG350A in combination with chemoradiotherapy, with complete clinical response at week 12 as the primary endpoint. This program highlights continued innovation in tumor-targeted immunotherapy delivery. Stay ahead in oncology research, like, share and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.